every day. We breathe freely in a refreshing and green world. Seeking the balance between environmental protection and high efficiency, we strive to offer safe, reliable adhesive products. All come from Dingli's unswerving dedication. What is a dedication? It is the original aspiration that we have held since 1998. We always dedicate ourselves to the development, manufacturing, and sales of eco-friendly adhesive products. We offer eco-friendly adhesive solutions to global customers. What is dedication? It means we still make breakthroughs and innovate after reaching a high industrial level. We extensively collect industrial information, go deeply into the upstream and downstream development trends of the industrial chain, and keenly understand the detailed requirements of end users. Through careful R&D and repeated verification, we provide high efficiency, high performance, high quality, eco-friendly adhesive products. We meet market demands and solve pain points for customers, leading high-quality industrial development. What is dedication? It is a coexistence and a co-development with intelligent manufacturing. We upgrade the automatic technology innovatively and constantly optimize production processes by technology. With a whole process intelligent management system, we control every parameter and avoid any subtle difference to ensure the quality of all products is stable and reliable. From materials to finished products, from production to delivery, all inspection processes of 4QC showcase our strictness, as well as our reverence for quality. Only by exceeding user expectations can Dingli live up to its name. What is dedication? It represents sincere devotion and commitment. We thoroughly implement our operation philosophy of co-creation, win-win development and sharing. With more than 500 service outlets in over 20 countries, we respond to and take care of all customer requirements, quality and personally. Every drop of adhesive symbolizes our dedication, which contributes to safe and reliable adhesive products. With the power of intelligent industrial manufacturing, we fulfill the dream of living and working in happiness for you. Dedicating ourselves to manufacturing good adhesive products, we provide eco-friendly adhesive solutions for people to create a good home life. Dingli.